They fall in love. Well, hi there, pluckers. Arthur Swordfingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting lesson preview for you all. Classic oldie, of course, from Manilow and Copacabana. Okay, this is my Campfire version, somewhat simplified to try and keep the chords sensible and not torture for everybody. Okay, so what you heard there was basically the intro, verse and chorus, and basically there's another 3 lots of verses and choruses after that. We play exactly the same way as I've just done. The middle bit I left out because it's a Campfire version and it's quite a long instrumental bit, which I thought it sort of destroys the flow of the song if you're doing it as a sing-song, so I left that out. Okay, so hopefully you'll join me in a couple of days' time when I'll break down what I've done and you can do your own thing with it. Okay, thanks very much for listening and see you soon. Bye for now.